everyone, welcome back to my channel. In this video, we're going to talk about 10 common mistakes that most people make when they are speaking English. And I will show you how to fix them, so don't worry. Let's get started then. The first mistake is confusing in with on. On and in are prepositions in the English language, and it is easy to confuse these two prepositions. Well, can you see the sentence in order to find out the mistake? She was born in April 16th. Well, on April 16th. Well, actually, with specific dates and days, we use on. For example, on Monday, on Tuesday, on Friday, and on Saturday morning, on March 16th, on Christmas Day. So you see, for specific dates and days, we use on. But we use in when we are talking about months. Like for month, we use in March, in November, in April. Mistake number 2, confusing your and your. Well, actually, this is a writing mistake. Can you find the mistake here? You're amazing. Yes, well done. Well, your is a contraction of you are, but here your is a possessive adjective where we say your book, your keys, your phone. Mistake number 3, misusing much and many. How much books do you have? This is incorrect. How many books do you have? Because we use many for countable nouns and much for uncountable nouns. You can say how much money do you have or how much time do you have. Mistake number 4, incorrect subject-verb agreement. She don't like coffee. She doesn't like coffee because singular nouns need singular verbs. She doesn't. He doesn't. It doesn't. And plural nouns need plural verbs. I don't like coffee. You don't like coffee. They don't. We don't. Mistake number 5. Well, actually, we cannot call it a mistake, but it is a vocabulary mistake. This is about overusing very. It is very, very cold outside. It is freezing outside. Instead of repeating the word very so many times, you can use extreme adjectives like very hungry, starving, very tired, exhausted, very happy, over the moon. Use extreme adjectives. Number 6, saying I agree with you. Well, actually, the verb agree doesn't require am. You can just say, I agree with you. Mistake number 7 is mixing up since and for. I have lived here since 5 years. For 5 years. I have lived here for 5 years. Well, actually, we use since for a specific point in time. And we use for a duration, how long. So, I have lived here since 2018. I have lived here for 5 years. Mistake number 8, saying more better. This one is more better. This one is better. Well, the word better doesn't require more. More is unnecessary here because better is already a comparative form. So we say more important, more powerful, more beneficial. But we say better, stronger. Not more stronger, not more better. We say better, stronger. Mistake number 9, using about after discuss. Let's discuss about this project. Let's discuss this project. Well, the word discuss doesn't require about, because discuss already means to talk about. You talk about something, but you discuss something. Let's talk about the project. Let's discuss the project. Mistake number 10. Using less and fewer wrongly. I have less friends than her. I have fewer friends than her. Well, we use fewer for countable nouns, fewer apples, but less for uncountable nouns. Less sugar, less money, less time. That's all from me. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, let me know, and don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more videos and for more language learning tips. And do you make any of these mistakes? Let me know in the comments, and I will see you in the next video. Until then, keep growing and stay effective. Bye!